Hello everyone, this is Nawal and in this video I am going to show you how to draw beautiful moonlight scenery with gradient effect. Before starting our paint, let's resize our drawing sheet. Resize your drawing area simply by dragging the right end of the page. Then choose the line shape and draw the cross lines. Make sure you don't leave any gap while drawing these lines. Then fill it with darker blue shade. Now let's repeat the same process for all. We will go on drawing the lines and filling colors to it. But every time while filling, we will fill one shade lighter to other. And here our beautiful filling is done. Now let's mix these shades. Go to the resize option, select pixels, untick the maintain ratio and remember this horizontal number. This number won't be constant to all the designs. It might vary from designs to designs and it mainly depends upon the size of your drawing area which you have chosen while dragging in the beginning. Now clear this horizontal number and type 1. Click OK. You will get this kind of blank drawing area. Now again go to the resize option, select pixels, untick the maintain ratio and type your earlier horizontal number in the box. And here our gradient page is ready. Now let's make beautiful moonlight scenery out of it. Select the brush and simply draw the line as shown in the video. Then to fill this area, press Ctrl++ on your keyboard to increase the size of the brush. Then paint it nicely with it. Press and hold Ctrl button and then press +++ as much as you want to increase the size of your brush. Now select the line option from the shapes and draw the straight line. Make sure to press the shift key while drawing the line. This will help you to get the straight line. Then choose the brush and roughly draw the mountains and paint it with the brush neatly. To decrease the size of the brush, simply press Ctrl- on your keyboard. To give the final touch to the mountains, choose the oil brush and a slight lighter black color and paint it nicely. Now increase your drawing area simply by dragging the right corner. To draw the moon, choose light yellow color as shown in the video and select the circle shape and draw the moon. Now fill it with the same color. Then go to the select option, select the rectangular selection and select the moon. Now when you drag it, it will move with its background. So from the select option, choose transparent selection and select the area which you want to move. Now to make the tree, choose the brush, increase the size a bit and start drawing. As you move upward with the branches, go on decreasing the size of your brush. You can simply press Ctrl- to decrease and Ctrl+ to increase. To give the watery effect, choose the water brush and white color and draw some smooth lines to it. To make our tree more beautiful, choose the spray brush. Increase its size simply by pressing Ctrl+ on your keyboard. Then choose the pink color and start spraying on the branches. To give the final touch to our tree, again choose the darker pink or maroon shade and spray it on the branches. And here our beautiful moonlight scenery is ready.